I would say a matter of taste. I would say a matter of sight. I would say a matter of sound. I would say a matter of odor. I would say a matter of touch. Because in the end, it's just a matter of feeling. Euskadi Basque Country. Awaken all your senses.